A pleasant good day to my future employer. My name is Nelia Oronce, 49 years old, married. My husband's work is a farmer. I have 3 children, 1 girl and 2 boys. Their ages are 25, 19, and 16. I am kind, honest, humble, trustworthy, flexible, and hardworking, and long patient. I have 12 years experience work here in Hong Kong. My first employers from mid-levels 2010 to 2016 are Chinese, 4 adults, and my main duties are cleaning, washing, ironing, cooking, and marketing. My second employer from Tai Hang, 3 adults, are Chinese. My main duties are cleaning, ironing, washing, marketing, and car washing. My current employers are British, 5 members of the family, 2 adults and 3 children. Their ages are 2, 4, and 5. My main duties are sending the kids to activities, school, and pick up from school, and take care of them. Another main duties are marketing, washing, ironing, cleaning, and cooking. I have more than 6 years work this family. I hope one of the employers hired me. I promise you to take care of your children, take care of your family to serve you better. I thank you.